Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. And from the title of the video, One Trading Model for Life. So, maybe I should ask this question. If you're told to use one strategy, if you're told to trade with one strategy for life, which one would you use? For me, in this video, I am going to break down my strategy with this chart you're seeing for your screens. I'm going to do the bullish version of it. Then, right here is also a bearish version of the model, standard trading model. Then finally, I'm also going to touch a bit of psychology. I'm going to talk about some of the things that separate profitable traders from the majority of the losers. What professional traders do, what consistent profitable traders do, that consistent losers assume that professional traders also do. Now, let's just do exactly, let's keep it simple as possible. So there's a chart on the 4-hour time frame published on October 23rd, 2023. The bullish version of our model, for those ones who have been with me, who have been watching my previous videos, the model was represented by this, like this, eh? Okay. We said this is a sweep of liquidity. First leg, first break of structure. Then on this lower low for the first break of structure, that's where we said we take our buy and potentially take our profits at this higher high. Now, on this chart, there's not a full chart of this one was in the 4 time frame, but I remember of liquidity right here. Then the market went up and manipulated, right? So we hit this rectangle, this zone here, and this is the first break of structure. First break of structure, we said it's lower low right here. That's where we set our buy order, our buy limit, and drive this market potentially to this higher high, because we had a clear market structure shift. That's what we said. For the setup to be high quality, you should have a market structure shift potential. This is where this market is heading. But we can always take partials at the nearest liquidities. You can take your partial here, right here, and potentially above here. That is exactly what the bullish version of the standard trading model represents. The bearish version of the model is right here. This is just an inverted chart for the same GBP USD on the 4-hour time frame published on the same day. This is on trading view. So what we can do is just to master, just to train our eyes to see this model, and we can always print money with it. So this is a representation of the bearish version of the standard trading model. Or we said A sweep of liquidity, first break of structure. Here we take a sell, potentially targeting this lower low. There was a sweep of liquidity. Now this is the first leg. First break of structure, it's higher high, which is here. This is where we set our sell order, and potentially this is where we're supposed to take our profits because there was a clear market structure shift right here. But we can always take profits, other partials, yes, so that we don't get wiped out by the market, because every moment in the market is unique. Yep. So you take what the market has given you without giving it back to the market. Now, the last thing that I said I'm gonna do is about psychology. What really do professionals, consistent, profitable traders do that the consistent losers, that majority of the crowd of traders who have not found profitability don't do? So these guys accept risk. It is an aspect of risk. And I will begin by saying that one step to profitability for any trader is they have to accept risk. And by saying that, by accepting risk, that means a trader will only lose an amount that they are willing to lose. Look at this setup here. This is where we set our sell order. This is where we set our stop loss. How much are we willing to lose when this setup does not work? Because an edge does not guarantee 100% win. Sometimes it doesn't. Yes, that is it. For profitable traders, for consistent ones, they usually define, before they set a limit here, they already know how much they are going to lose. So they are not even, when a limit is triggered, they are not emotionally attached to the trade. I am going to make a video on how you're going to do, how much lots are you going to do to work with when you want to lose a certain amount of money in these markets. Yeah. My delivery, I think you should just bear with me. As time goes by, as I said, I will be improving slowly by slowly. Now, when you predefine your risk, it means that you're taking responsibility for every trade that you're placing. And you will never jump on unplanned trades. You only trade your plan. You don't just open the charts and jump on any trades that appears, right? I made a video on taking only high quality setups. You minimize your trading. You don't have to trade every now and then. Just find one quality setup and maximize it with a good lot size. Then you're good to go. One trade even for a month is enough. This Moral here is one for life. A consistent, profitable trader will be patient and wait for its age. When it appears, then that is when now they are going to push the button. That is when they are going to execute ruthlessly and fearlessly. Yes, they don't weigh the alternatives. When their age, when this pattern, for example, when this bearish version of the standard trading model, we just see a sweep of liquidity from the higher time frame, and you drop down on the lower time frame, right? First leg, first break of structure, and you see it, this guy here, this first break of structure has happened. Immediately you set your order here, and whatever you're not considering the consequences. Your work is just to execute your age. You don't second guess anything, because if you start considering the consequence that this trade might not work, then what is the point of your age? You don't have to think otherwise. Those guys, when an age appears, they execute because because in their mind they know that losses are part of the game. That is the point of predefining your risk. Losses are part of the game, and when you lose, you only lose an amount that you're willing to lose, not everything. That is what our neighbors, those guys who are greedy, they want to get it all, so they risk all their monies. And that's wrong for the trader's mindset. That's gambling, right? In gambling, you place all what you have. Profitable traders check the ages without thinking otherwise. And for the wins, that boosts their winning attitude. Yeah, winnings always boost our winning attitudes, no? Whereby our mind is as we have a positive winning attitude, whereby we'll be executing fearlessly without even thinking otherwise. That's the good thing of winning. But if you lose, but when professional traders, consistent guys who follow their rules who lose, they don't feel pain. They don't feel pain about it. Instead, those losses are meant to be lessons. Which kind of lessons? Number one, it might be a way of telling you to redefine your strategy. Not redefining is a way of telling you to refine your strategy. When does your strategy work, and when does it work? Under which conditions? That's exactly what losses tell you. Outcomes for professional traders act as a perfect reflection of their growth and what needs to be learned. Just talked about it. Wins boost their winning attitude, but for losses, it helps you now go back and you look at that setup that you lost and why did you lose it, right? Set the reasons why you lost it. And for the next time, for a good student, they'll never repeat that mistake. That's a form of understanding your age. You won't understand your age when you're not executing and seeing when does it work and when does it not work. Yeah, that is it. Executing fearlessly. That's one of the things that I'm learning. I'm learning by pain. When it prints, exactly we do it. When it prints, exactly we take it. Just to build a mindset, a strong mindset. These are just lessons from McDouglas, right? Those are just lessons from McDouglas, and they're making sense. I think it will be a good thing to implement, to have that, in order to build a mindset, that stronger mindset for a trader. We should all strive to accept a risk. Then the next thing we do is to define our how much we want to lose, and just execute. Executing is hard sometimes. Remember, it was last which month? June, July, August, September, June, July. It was July. Yep. It was a hard, tough time. Yep. Executing. Hey, I was just making profits with my eyes. Yeah, set up prints. I start contemplating on when if it will work or not. Yeah. And the setup that I don't take, it usually did hit the take profit. And those ones that I took, they hit stop losses. It is crazy, yeah? This trading journey is crazy. But no matter what, there's no point of giving up, because this is for life. This is for life. This is for life. This is where we get our bread and butter. For life. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know exactly how I'm doing this, but this one is I think I'll remember all this when I'll be watching this in years to come. At least I'll be seeing where I was. I will be feeling where I was and where I will be by that time. So for those ones who are also struggling in the industry, who are also in this business, I believe this video will help you in one way or the other. Yes, and we all grow together. The only way you can appreciate what I'm doing is just give a like. Just give a like to the video. Comment on anything that you wish I should improve on or talk about. And if you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel, and we all grow. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and welcome. Just comment down the hashtag. Keep it simple. I'll be motivated to put such kind of content for you. Yes, that is it. See you in the next video. Bye. Am I a joke?